So guys, how are we doing today? We're back with another snow vlog driving. Right now I am in the city of Laval, Canada, right? And today there's no music. I'm just gonna talk. And yeah, man, just checking out the snow right now. They're cleaning the snow, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos and stuff. And please drop your comment down below so I could know what type of videos you guys like to see. All right, so it's snowing right now in Canada, which is cold, but it's nice, right? Because I think snow means romantic and love and all these things. So, you know, and don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, and much love to all my supporters, the people that show love to my channel. I got a few real people that always check my channel out, show a lot of, you know, love and all that stuff. And yeah, man, that's it. So just chill back, enjoy, and I'm gonna bring you guys the best, show you guys what's going on in the city. Right now it's snowing and they're cleaning the snow, so the streets are a little bit slippery, so you got to be very careful when driving on the icy road. And I'm used to it because I've been doing this for many years. So yeah, man, so guys, just make sure smash that like button, and yeah, man, let's get these likes up, and that's it. So I'll be quiet for a moment and you guys just chill back and just enjoy the snow. Snow is beautiful, right? Sorry about the wiper blades, because if I don't clean the windshield, I cannot see where I am going. So the wipers has to be going. I'll put it lowly so you guys can not hear too much of the wipers. But I have no choice, because without that I can't see, right? And right now we're in Laval, and I'm going to the mall to pick up something quick and fast. So I'm just doing, like, you know, a little quick detour, show you guys what's going on in the city and all that stuff. And yeah, man, much love to all my real subscribers. And guys, if you're watching this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. It's free of cost, it doesn't cost anything. So make sure to share these videos with your friends and stuff. And I hope you guys like my videos and all that stuff, you know, because I try to do the best I could when I could. And yeah, man, so just chill back and enjoy. And I hope you guys like these videos and stuff, right? So today there's no music. I'm just gonna put it raw like that, you know, let you guys hear the outside wind and everything that's going on around me. And yeah, man, much love to Canada. I got a lot of supporters in Canada too, in Florida and Georgia and everywhere. And much love to respect to who show me love. And yeah, man, it is what it is, right? Each one help one, right? And now I'm stuck in front of a train passing right now. I don't know how long it's gonna take. And another thing, guys, me personally, I love doing YouTube. I like videos and stuff. I'm doing it for fun, right? Because I just like to, you know, showcase the city and all this stuff. I'm just doing it as a hobby. You know, there's nothing else. It's fun for me, and I just like doing it. That's it. You know, so I'm not doing it for no money and nothing like that. It's just a hobby for me, right? And it's fun. I like it. It's a beautiful thing. I like to do what I do, and you know, that's what it is, right? Right now, I'm coming up to a lake. I don't know. It's a beautiful place, man. The snow's nice. I think that's a prison over there. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is a prison. It is a prison over there. I'm 16 minutes away from my destination, so I got 60 more minutes with you guys. And right down there, they are cleaning the snow. So guys, this is part 2, and make sure to watch the video all the way to the end, right? Don't skip, don't stop at 12 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Watch the video all the way to the end. So, and make sure to smash the like button also. Hold on a second. I don't know if I'm allowed to pass. I'm just gonna go a little bit closer, see what's going on. As you guys can see, they're cleaning the streets, and that's how it's done, right? So that's how they do the roads, and it's kind of cool. It's fun, you know. There's another truck coming. So this is how it's done, guys. The truck goes next to the tractor, and they just put the snow like that. I think it's pretty cool. That is how it's done. So now I'm back on the main road. Guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. All right, don't watch 2 minutes of the video. Make sure you watch the full length of the video. All right, much love, and see you guys in the next one. right now.